Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to schedule an email using the updated Gmail app. Whether you're planning ahead for work, sending birthday wishes, or managing your time more efficiently, scheduling emails can be a real game changer. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Gmail app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the Compose button. This is usually a colorful pencil icon or a plus sign. Tap that to start writing your new email. Now, here's where the magic begins. Write your email just like you normally would. Add your recipient, subject, and the message itself. After you're done writing, look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on these dots to open a menu with more options. From this menu, select Schedule Send. This feature lets you decide exactly when your email should go out, instead of sending it right away. Next, you can choose from several preset times that Gmail suggests, which are very handy if you want to send your email later today, tomorrow morning, or sometime next week. If none of these preset options fit your needs, simply pick date and time. This will open a calendar and clock interface where you can scroll to the exact day and time you want your email to be sent. Once you've made your choice, just tap Schedule Send to confirm your settings. Your email is now queued to go out at the perfect time without you having to worry about it. That's it. Scheduling an email in the Gmail app is straightforward and a fantastic way to manage communication on your terms. You can check or cancel any scheduled emails by going to your scheduled folder anytime. Thanks for watching.